The Amazon rainforest is being consumed by fire. In fact, there's an 80% increase in fires just over the last year alone. And this comes, of course, after the hottest July our planet has ever seen. I want you to take a look at these pictures showing the smoke from space. These are images from high above covering huge parts of South America. Now, this isn't an act of God. It's farmers and ranchers intentionally destroying the land for more development.
Alright, so the Amazon rainforest has been burning for weeks and the media hasn't been covering it, which caused international outrage when pictures came out and videos from, local people in Brazil pointing at, the burning of the forest, blaming the president, blaming the government. But who's really to blame? The government, the corrupt government who wants to make money? Or the main reason of the burning of the Amazon, cattle ranchers burning the Amazon to clear land for cattle grazing and growing feed crops for them. So basically, who's to blame? The consumer who pays for it, or the president who's just trying to make money? He is corrupt, but he's nothing without the consumers. So blame meat eaters everywhere for fueling this fire, as all the headlines are saying. Pretty much all major prestigious media organizations agree on one thing. The main cause of the deforestation and fire is non-vegans, is meat eaters. Just stop eating animals, stop causing needless suffering of the animals you eat, plus animals you burn in the Amazon rainforest. Stop doing it.